After the class, those who are not there, for them, the recorded lecture will be uploaded in the group. Then you will download that one. Okay. Suppose in the live session, someone are not able to understood the concept, then they will watch the video again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So first, before going to explain this chapter or this means start syllabus, firstly I will discuss the pattern of examination paper. So anyone have means open page number 50, or those who have open, those who don't have, no problem, I will show over here. Okay. The pattern of question paper, firstly I will show you what the things will coming in your examination. This is your last year question paper of Olympiad, Science Olympiad, Foundation International Mathematics Olympiad. If the question paper is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So there will be 3 sections. First one is logical reasoning. There will be, I think, 15 questions. Yes. So there will be 15 questions. Look, I will show you. These things I will do later. Firstly, I will do the your means academic means chapters which are there, because these chapters I will complete in faster way, because everything you know. So these things will take time. We will discuss these things later. That means logical reasoning part we will discuss later. Firstly, everyday mathematics and mathematical reasoning. So I think look at question number 16. From here, it will be your mathematical reasoning part. That means logical reasoning having 15 questions, right? And mathematical reasoning having 20 questions around, but I need to check that it is 20 or more are there. Just wait. So 35, yes, 20 questions are mathematical. Have you anyone given the earlier Olympiad examination in any standard?
Yes, sir.
So how
Yes,
many
sir.
questions are there at that time?
50.
Overall 50. But you don't know section wise, means how many questions with logical, how many questions with mathematical. Yes or no?
Around 4 sections, sir.
There will be 4 sections. I think Harshita got the textbook. Now in mathematical reasoning there will be 20 questions. Okay, and everyday mathematics will be having 10 questions, I think. Yes, 10 questions will be there, and 5 questions. How many questions now? 30, 45. Yeah, 5 questions of HOTS type, means higher order thinking skills. These questions will decide your position, rank, and other things. Because these questions we will take the consideration will able to do, but only these questions will decide your rank positions. Okay. So about rank position, forget about that these things right now. Only focus on the things that what you learned from here. Okay. Definitely, if you are able to do these things, definitely your level will be up in comparison to other students, right class? Okay, and this means hot
Okay.
section will be known as your achiever section. Okay, so there will be 5 questions in achiever section. Everyday mathematics like ratio proportional questions, means comparing quantities questions will be there, means their percentage compound interest, that right now this is going on our regular classes. Okay, so it will help you over there. Math means everyday mathematics, these type of questions will be there. And algebra के questions भी होंगे, algebraic questions will be there. And I think you have listened the maybe you have seen the questions like suppose some water will be there, some of the water will come up, means taken out, and whatever the remaining, from that remaining water again some part of that water remain out. What was, how much water remain over there? So this type of questions will be in your everyday mathematics. ठीक है? Okay, ठीक है, one by one we will discuss this chapter.
Okay, sir.
So this is your paper pattern, means number of questions will be logical reasoning 20, mathematical reasoning, sorry, 15, mathematical reasoning 20, everyday mathematics 10, and higher order thinking skill, or you can say achiever section, that will be 5. So these are overall 50 questions. ठीक है, right? And achiever sections questions will be of each question 3 mark. That will be how many marks? 3 marks. And others will be carries only 1 marks. So this is actually your question paper pattern. Try to solve these questions. If you are able to do, well and good. Not able to do, no problem, I will help you. ठीक है? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now move on to our first chapter, that is your rational number, because everything you know here. Only anyone, how many of you know rational number? Because this chapter already done by me in the class. Only I'm talking about rational number.
No, sir.
रेशनल नंबर से नहीं जानते हो? क्यों?
पता है sir.
No, it's
How many of you don't know रेशनल नंबर? रेशनल नंबर कितने बच्चों को नहीं पता? हर्षिता, लक्ष्मण, पार्थ, अजित, आर्या, पार्थ यादव.
पता है sir.
Thanks, sir.
we know, sir.
Parth Yadav. It's a very simple question I ask. What do you mean by rational number? Because if you are in this group or this class,
So may I?
basic concept you must need to know.
The man.
Parth Yadav, will you please tell me what do you mean by rational number? Parth Yadav, am I audible? I know I am audible to you.
Yes.
Lakshman Munde. Lakshman, if you are here, you have to give the answers. And yesterday, I think I told solve chapter number 1 at least. Try to solve. But how many of you have tried question? A single
Sir.
question you will try. Ajik and
Sir,
Arya.
done all.
Done all. Arey wah.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Those who done all, it's hats off to you. What about others? Is in any of the questions, Ajik, help is required from my side?
Yes, sir. Doubt.
No, sir. And I also saw the explanation, so it all were easy.
Okay, very good. That's very nice. Harshita, have you tried to solve the questions? No, Sage left, I think, due to networking issue. Arya, have you tried, beta, to solve these questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Lakshman and Parth, both of you, have you tried a single question of this chapter?
Yes, sir.
Don't wait for time, then I will explain, then you will solve in IMO. Because the basic concept questions definitely you will do. Okay, so look at the first question. I'm not wasting time on discussion of these things. So divide the sum of, very easy question, divide the sum of this number, means 65 by 12 and 12 by 7 by their difference. That means this number will be divided by the difference of, now which one is bigger one? Because difference is there, then firstly we need to know which one is bigger. So definitely 65 upon 12,
Figure.
12 upon 7. So this is the difference, this is the sum. Now you have to add these ones, then subtract this one, whatever the answer you will get, divide them. And which one is the correct answer?
A.
A.
Yes, sir. Fine.
A.
11.
Okay, I don't know the right answer, but you are saying only you have to simplify this one. How to simplify? चलो मैं बता ही देता हूं आपको. 65 on 12, take the LCM, that will be 12 sevens are 84. Okay, so 65 into 7 plus 12 into 12 divided by 65 into 7 minus 12 into 12 divided by 84. This will easily get cancelled out. Now 65 sevens are how much? That will be 7 5s are 35, 3 7 6 are 42, 45 minus 144 divided by, sorry, plus 144, and here 455 minus 144. Now you have to subtract this one. So this is 9. Now no need to solve more, because 9 you get in one's place, it's okay. First one is the correct answer. Don't go to get the answer complete way. If you get the 9, then kiske one's place pe 9 hai aapka? This one. Take that one. No need to solve further. These are the tricks to save time at the time of examinations, right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
These are the shortcut tricks. No need to find whole answer. If you get 9, check that 9 was there, then well and good. If not there, then find it. Okay. Don't go with full solution. Only use the shortcut tricks. I mean, these are the little bit tricks will give you or save time for others question. Now, this is very easy. The sum of the additive inverse and multiplicative inverse of 1/5. बहुत आसान है. क्या मुझे कोई बच्चा बता सकता है what is the
24 by 5.
multiplicative inverse and additive inverse?
24/5.
Very good. So its additive inverse is minus 1/5 and multiplicative inverse is 5 simply. So what you have to find? You have to sum. So 5 minus 1/5. So if you will take that, you will 25 minus 1/5. That means 24/5. That means first answer is the correct one, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now sum of the two rational number is -1. Very easy. देखो x plus y का sum कितना है? -1 है. That x, where x and y are rational. If one of the number is -5.4, let us take any one of them. -1. Are you able to understand the question? How to solve?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I will tell you later. Right now, Olympiad class is going on. Wait for 30 minutes. I will tell you. Okay. ठीक है, no issue. -1. Now this goes this side. Plus 5/4. ठीक है. आप क्या करोगे? एलसीएम लेके सॉल्व कर लो. -4 plus 5/4. That means simply 1/4. So is the answer will be there?
Yes, sir. 1/4.
Okay. So first one. In this way, you will solve the other question. So look at here. This question is quite tough. That's why question number 4 I will solve. Okay. If
Sir, answer is 2.
So answer is 2.
एक मिनट.
Answer is
Okay. Solve this question DIY. ठीक है. At
Solve.
least try to solve, because here I am not going to solve all the questions. Please take this thing firstly. ठीक है. Why?
Yes.
question number 11 once.
एक मिनट में सृष्टि क्यों नहीं क्लास में भाई? जस्ट वेट, आई विल कॉल हर. If she is registered for this one, then why she is not present? Lakshman Munde left the class 4 hours earlier to edit. 6 means. Okay, so now fifth question. What is the answer? Fifth question. Hello.
7/5.
Srishti, this is Kapil sir, beta.
7/5, sir.
Sir, 7/5.
Sir, you're on mute. Sir, you're mute.
Sir, you are muted.
Array, sorry. Sorry for that. What is the multiplicative inverse of this one? 7 up minus 7/5.
7/5.
Okay, this is
5/7.
5/7 with their negative sign. It's a multiplicative inverse is this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स में आपके साइन नहीं चेंज होते, एनआरडीआर चेंज होते, मैंने बोला था आपको जब मैंने सिखाया था, और एडिटिव इनवर्स में केवल साइन चेंज होते हैं। अगर आपको याद हो तो वेल एंड गुड, नहीं अदरवाइज रिकॉल योरसेल्फ। ओके, सो नाउ 6th question, it's a property, do yourself. 7th one, now 7th question is important. I don't know how you will get Ajikya.
20/3.
Listen to me. Firstly, you have to simplify this
20/3.
one. Simplify this one. You will get your minus 20/3.
Sir, BODMAS rule.
20/3, sir.
Minus 20/3. You will get x is equals to minus 20/3. Please check that solution. If you got 20/3, then is it incorrect? Means the value of x is your, I think, let me check.
No, sir, the signs got cut down.
5.
Sir, it's minus 20 upon minus 3 and then signs get cancelled out.
Wait, 24 yeah, minus 3 will be also there, so it will get cancelled out. That means x will be 20/3. But we don't need to find, already answers are there, but right now we don't need to find this answer. We need to find out this answer. So please, whatever the question asked, but its answer will be remain same, but not in others question. Suppose in other question it will ask, not in others question only. ठीक है? So पहले तो हमें x की वैल्यू अब माइनस x हमें निकालना पड़ेगा, दैट विल बी minus 20/3. क्या आपने यहां तक सॉल्व करने के बाद टिक मार दिया था क्या? यस और नो? अजय क्या? आर्या, हर्षिता? After getting x value, have you take the mark of correct answer?
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay,
No.
Ajikya.
Sir, after solving.
Yes, sir.
Sir, they have
Means-
asked what then minus x equals to.
Okay, minus x is equal to minus 20/3. Then how you will get this one is 20/3? What is the value of this one?
Sir, I take the option A.
Its correct option is definitely 20/3. It is getting over here. So
Yes, sir. After
my simple question is to you, after getting 20/3, have you make the correct, have you take the decision this is the correct answer, or you have done later?
later on, sir.
Later on.
So
That
first
means you
I
have
take
also find minus x is equals to minus 20/3. Okay, now the meaning of this, what is that? Anyone? What is the symbol? What is the meaning of this one?
opposite sign.
Not
So
opposite
it gets
sign,
cut down.
Opposite sign.
No, not exactly. Okay, not exactly. The level of this question is very high, honestly speaking, but I'm giving you here direct concept. If this is the symbol of mod, what is that? Mod. Or you have maybe listened absolute value. Have you listened this word absolute value?
Yes.
No. The value of the answer of absolute value, or actually these symbols represents mod of x read as, how to read mod of x और एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ x, हमें ये निकालना है। यानी कि अब यहाँ पर mod of -x is written, that means we have to find the absolute value of absolute value of -x, not x. So it doesn't make difference over here in this question only, but in other question is not. ठीक है, so mod x means this is the meaning of mod of -x. We will read this one, read as mod -x. ठीक है, this will be given as the value of mod is always positive whatever the numbers written inside this one. ठीक है, अगर पॉजिटिव है तो पॉजिटिव आएगा, अगर निगेटिव है तो भी आपका पॉजिटिव आना है। दैट मीन्स दिस सिंबल मेक द एवरीथिंग विल बी पॉजिटिव। सो जो आपका जे आंसर -20/3 है, इट विल गिव्स यू 20/3। दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट और दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ mod or absolute value. Absolute value of any variable inside this one, whatever written, it will gives you always plus value. ठीक है,
Okay,
always
sir.
whatever the value is
Okay, sir.
plus minus, it will gives you always positive whatever the condition, whatever the scenarios, right? So its answer will be this one, no doubt. Now this is very easy, do yourself. Which of options is 3 means
Yes.
आपको check करना है, means which one is smaller, which one is greater. So you have to do these questions yourself. I am not doing this question. I am not sitting over here to solve this question. I am help you the questions solve which are not able to solve. So the rational number which is not lying between this one. Okay. So this question means the out of 4 options, 3 are correct, 1 is incorrect. ठीक है, यानी कि आपको जो 3 ऑप्शंस हैं, ए बी सी 4 ऑप्शंस हैं, इनमें से 3 आंसर्स आपके इन दोनों नंबर्स के बीच में आएंगे और एक ही आंसर ऐसा होगा जो नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि नॉट इज देयर. प्लीज व्हेनेवर इन द क्वेश्चन नॉट मेंशन्ड, यस, एनीवन आंसर?
1/4.
13/32.
Sir, 1/4.
1/4.
1/4.
Let me check.
Yes, sir. By using number line.
Okay, can you make this one, can you write this one 8/16, 1/2? Now the
Yes.
DRs will be
Yes,
same.
sir. It's equivalent.
Now it is very easy question. Look at 5 to 8. So 5 to 8 means 16 was there. So that means this is not the answer, क्योंकि 7/8 definitely आएगा। और आपका और क्या, then 4/16 BC के बीच, no, 4/16 will be outside, not here. So that means this is the correct answer. This is outside, 1/4. Right or not? Now if you want to check this
Yes,
one,
sir.
if you want to check this one, you will write this one 6/18, 6/16. So it will be inside between these ones, 5 to 8, right or not? Please.
12/32.
And 13/32, it will be also between this one. If you divide this one by 2, you will get 6.5/16, means 6.5 also lies between 5 to 8. Only you have to focus on numerator, right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So are you getting me that how I get 1/4? Only
Yes, sir.
no need to solve manually, only just make the it's a easier form. This is 6/12, sorry, 8/16. Now look at the DRs are equal to 5 और 8 के बीच में कौन कौन है, एक तो ये तो क्लियर आपको दिख रहा है, this is not answer. Now this one, make this one in the form of 16, so this one also not inside or not between. And now check that this one, this will be written as 4/16, and this number will be not lying between 5/16 and 8/16. That means this is the answer. Okay, right or not? That means 1/4 is the correct answer. Simplify this one, do yourself. May I solve this? Simplify means 10th question.
No, sir.
It's very
Just solve
easy.
the question once.
Okay,
Sir, it's
listen to me. If you want to solve means if I want to solve for you, then look at here how to solve in simple way. Just simplify this one. 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9, okay, 4 3 are 12. ठीक है, now this is actually 3 3 cancel 1, in the middle there will be 1. Now 5 3 are 15, 3 2 are 6. Now what is that? What remain now? 5 upon 22 minus 1 plus 2 upon 13.
13.
Now you will simplify this one by taking the LCM. ठीक है, you will get your answer.
6.
ये तो बहुत ही आसान है. 11th question is very easy. Do yourself 11th one. 12th I am coming. 12th question. Which one is the correct? Tell me.
5 by 0.
5 by 0.
Very good.
5 by 0.
Very good. 5 by 0 because this will not define. ठीक है.
0 is not
0
denominator.
should not be equal to.
And then definition, everyone know that this will not equal to 0. है ना?
Q is not equal to 0.
But this is 0, so it will not a rational number. ठीक है. Now
Yes.
13th one. 13th. Look at the 13th question. X is equal to this, y is equal to this. Then find the value. It's very easy. So x plus y, firstly that means you have to find x plus y divided by x minus y. That means 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2 upon
Minus 13 by 5.
3 minus 3 by
B,
2.
sir.
ठीक है. Now after that solve this one, you will get your answer on way. I think इसका आंसर माइनस में आना चाहिए.
Minus
Minus
13 by
13 upon
5.
5.
हाँ, माइनस में, क्योंकि माइनस आपका एक्चुअली यहाँ पर आ रहा है ना माइनस, तो आप यहाँ से क्लियर कर लो माइनस में क्या आ रहा है, वहां से आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा. नो नीड टू सॉल्व फुल क्वेश्चन. माइनस में है, दैट मीन दिस वन कैंसिल आउट, ओनली दीज वंस विल मे बी आंसर. तो इस तरह से आप ऑप्शंस कैंसिल करना आप सीखो पहले तो. ठीक है, ऑप्शंस अगर आपके आधे ज्यादा कैंसिल हो जाएंगे देन यू विल इजीली गेट द आंसर. जैसे केबीसी में आता है, आप लाइफ लाइन ले लो, कुछ आंसर चले जाते हैं. ठीक है, वैसे ही आप लाइफ लाइन ले लिया करो, सम आंसर्स विल बी डिलीटेड. ठीक है, सॉरी आई एम जस्ट किडिंग,
Okay.
because at that time you don't have lifeline. ठीक है. So 14th one, x is equals to
Minus 2
minus
by
4 upon
11.
11. Then which of the value following rational number lies between x and mod x? It's very easy. So look at there, this x and what is the value of mod x? That will be 4 upon 11. As
4
I
upon
told,
11.
it's always positive.
2 by 11.
तो इन दोनों के बीच में कौन सा आंसर आपको दिख रहा है? पहले तो 11 चेक करो.
Minus by 11.
This is definitely lies between this one. Minus 2 upon 11. No need to solve other question because this is directly minus 2 upon 11 lies between this one. ठीक है, अब क्योंकि आपको पता है कि एक ही आंसर सही हो सकता है चारों में से, so you if you get this one then take that one. How I get? How you are you getting me or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir. The
Yes, sir. Getting.
11.
Srishti Munde, Parth. Hello, Srishti,
Yes,
I am
sir.
audible, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so don't worry, Srishti. If you are not joined the class, but recording of this lecture you will get after the meeting, after the class. ठीक है?
Yeah, sir.
I will share the link, then you will go through the whole with the whole lecture.
Yes.
Now, 14th question is clear to you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
देखो, आपके पास x क्या है? 4 upon minus 4 upon 11 है, and mod x will always give you positive value as I told earlier. Means at the starting of the class. So इन दोनों के बीच में अब देखो ढूंढो, इसके बीच में क्या क्या? -3 upon 11, -2 upon 11. क्या ये ऑप्शन ऑलरेडी आपका यहाँ पर है तो आप डायरेक्टली टिक मार सकते हो.
हाँ.
यस और नो? आप पहले इनके राइट
Yes,
कर
sir.
लो. अगर आपके ऑप्शंस ऐसे नहीं होते तो फिर हम दूसरे रास्ते से जाते. ठीक है,
Okay.
क्योंकि हमें डायरेक्टली मिल रहा है बेटा तो हम फिर नहीं जाएंगे, क्योंकि हमें एमसीक्यू में क्या करना है, हमें आंसर ही तो चाहिए ना. करेक्ट, राइट. नाउ 15th क्वेश्चन, 15th one. Mr. Sharma deposited. This question is means a very good question. As I told, water type questions. देखो
38,400.
बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है. मिस्टर शर्मा 2000 नहीं 2,56,000 डिपॉजिटेड. So 2,56,000. 2 days later he withdraw 2/5 of the amount. यानी कि आप इसका 2/5 आप निकाल लो. 2,56,000.
20.
So after getting the answer, this suppose this is your answer 1.
1,02,400.
Sorry.
1,02,400 rupees after withdrawing.
After withdrawal, what is that? 1 lakh.
2,400 on the first day.
This one. Is this one 1,24,000? एक मिनट अगर सिंप्लीफाई करोगे 5
0.
1 2
102400.
So 102400. If you subtract this one 00, नहीं कुछ गड़बड़ है लग रहा. Something will be something errors. Just wait. I need to solve. 2,56,000 here.
10400.
Here that will be
1,02,400.
हाँ, क्योंकि 400 आपका यहाँ पर आएगा. And 1024 that means 006 and 5 minus 2 3 5 1 1,53,600. Is it the answer?
No, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
means the remaining cash.
Not answer right now. Means this is remaining. Now 3/4 of the remaining withdrawal next day. That means you have to find 3/4 of this. 3/4 of
38,400.
153,600 and minus means you have to minus this one 153,600 minus. So what you get?
38,400.
38,400.
Find the amount left in it. I think answer आपका now you will get your direct answer 3600. If you simplify, so 4 3 are 12, 3 33, 4 8s are 32, 1 16, 4 4s are 16, 0 0. Now 3 gets multiplied, so 0 0 8 3 are 24. No, sorry 4 3 are 12 होगा यहाँ पर. Sorry, 4 3 are 12 and 3 8s are 24 25, 3 3 are 9 and 11. ठीक है. So 0 0 6 में से 2 गया 4. Which one is the answer? Means this one is the answer. Second one, B part is the correct answer. Right or not? B is the correct
Yes,
answer
sir.
because 400 we are getting. That means this is the answer. No need to check others. ठीक है. Otherwise आप फाइन भी करना चाहते हो तो कर भी सकते हो. This is 13 में से 12, 13 में से 5 8 and 14 में से 11 4. No, 3. Sorry, 38,400. Look at there. This is the correct answer, right? Class.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So sometimes these type of questions are required to solve, otherwise you will not get exact answer. Okay. Now this question, this is also very important. One chocolate milkshake recipe requires 3/4 jug of milk. यानी कि एक चॉकलेट मिल्क की रेसिपी में इतना आपका जग लगता है मिल्क का, मीन्स 3/4. Another recipe in different recipe, the same chocolate milk will be same, require 3 cups of milk. 3 cups of milk means 3 cup. और यहाँ पर दिया गया है if 1 cup is equivalent to 1/8, that means 3/8 simply, है ना. 3 cups of milk, that means 3/8 because 1 cup is equivalent to 1/8 jug. तो इतने जग हुए यहाँ पर, इतने जग हुए यहाँ पर. then how much more milk does the first recipe required? That means in this one recipe more, in this one is less. So you will solve this one, subtract, you will get your answer. So 8 6
3 by 8
3.
jug.
So 3 by 8 jug means C is the correct option. How many of you get?
Yes, sir, got the same answer.
Okay, very
Yes,
good.
sir, got it same.
What about others? Others you have to also, you need to solve. Parth and Srishti. ठीक है, आपको मेरे साथ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है इस क्लास में. You have to solve with me the questions. You are getting or not getting, it's a later part, but you have to solve with me in this class at least. No need to only watch screen, you have to do with me. ठीक है. Now question number 17. The length of wingspan of different species of birds given below: blue, golden, seagull, and albatross. The length of wingspan is this one. How much? What is said? How much longer is the wingspan of golden eagle than the wingspan of blue jay? ब्लू जे, दैट मीन दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है आपको और कुछ नहीं, सिंप्लीफाई करके. ठीक है. सो दिस इज योर 5/2 golden eagle and 41/100. 41/100 means this one is lesser. ठीक है. So 100 will be the LCM. So 50 2 से डिवाइड करोगे 50, 55 सॉरी 250 minus 41. So you will get
209 by 100.
That means this is the, but meter. Look at, this is the answer, not this
Meter.
one. Not this one. Because units are in meter. गड़बड़ करते हैं अभी. ठीक है. So because units are in meter, that's why B is the correct option. Otherwise, आप पहले देखो टिक मार दो. No. Second one is the correct option. ठीक है. Is it clear? आपको कुछ नहीं करना क्योंकि उसने